Hi friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep and welcome to another unboxing. This is Jimin's With You hoodie. Let's get right into it. Once again, it has that really nice packaging and the artist made collection With You hoodie. I got the large size. Here it is. Let's look at Jimin's card. Oh, it's a little bent. First, the photo card. Such a cutie patootie. It got bent in transit, but we can just flatten that out. And the making log. Beautiful blonde Jimin and his drawings and design review. He did mention he thought about doing yellow like drawstrings. Final review. And the things too. Cutie! Ooh, this is soft. So the hood isn't chemo, but the inside feels like chemo, like the, what do you call that? that really soft fabric inside. Ooh, let's make sure the size is right. It's a large. So this is what it looks like. It says you on the front and then never walk alone on the back. And then we have the 7 view across the hood top, and we have 13 on the drawstrings. That the inside is this really soft material, and it looks like it'll be very comfortable. Let me put it on. Okay, it is super comfortable. The fleece is so soft and the hood is really big. Like you can cover your whole forehead when it's on. I'm sorry, I wish I could show you. The sleeves are good and long. Like usually sleeves are short on me, but this is nice and long. I can make cute sweater paws with it. And I've got on arms joggers right now. I am the most comfortable army in the world. So very, very nice purchase. Very soft, very comfortable. Very happy with this. All right, on to the next unboxing. Hello, we are back with part 2 of this video's unboxing inside our Hobbies flower pots. Let's open it up. There's 2 sets in here. One is for a friend that I will be sending off. So this is what the box looks like. Hope Pop set. Artist made collection by BTS, J-Hope. And oh, this is really pretty. Can you see the engraving or the embossing? It says Hope, and there's a picture of the flower pots embossed. J-Hope's letter. This is the most precious photo card ever. Look at him. Hope Pot Set by J-Hope. Making log. Product planning. Cutie patootie. Some of the prototypes. Final review. No, look how precious. His things too. Look at this photo. So cute. Oh my gosh, this photos card is adorable. Okay, we've got nice protective packaging. Ooh, okay, so we've got the little pebbles for each pot. 4 bags of pebbles. Little decorations. poking out the styrofoam. I don't know if there's a better method, but this is how I'm poking out the styrofoam blocks inside. Okay, after a little struggle with the styrofoam, everything's out. I will carefully tilt it so you can see it has J-Hope's Magic Shop lyrics on each of the 4 pots. I think they said it was cement. It's like cement flower pots with drainage holes, so you can actually use them for flowers as well, in addition to decoration. Oh, there's also, I guess, like a drainage hole in the bottom here. And then we have the little pebbles. Oh, wait. Now I'm wondering, was I supposed to not take out the styrofoam if I want to put the pebbles in? Okay. If you want to put your flowers in right away, take out the styrofoam. If you don't, and you just want to decorate it with the pebbles and the hope pieces. Okay, this is why I'm here, to show you what not to do. So since I don't have any plants to plant right now, I'm gonna put the pebbles in on top. You don't know how much I struggled off camera to get all those styrofoam blocks out. It's all good. Oh, it's so cute. Hope. So cute. Like I said in my last video or previous unboxings, I'm still in the process of redecorating my army zone, but these pots will definitely have a place of honor in them, and hopefully later I can get some plants to pot in here. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching, and actually stay tuned because I'm gonna give a little recap of how I was able to secure my priority items for the BTS Artist Made collection. Maybe that'll help some of you tomorrow with the second restock. Hopefully it won't be such a bloodbath though. Thank you for watching. All right, sorry about the very weird setup. I'm filming from my iPad since I need to show you my phone, but here are the, not tips, I wouldn't say. Here's how I succeeded in getting my priority items for BTS merch. This is the memo I wrote to myself last night to remind myself for the drop this morning was turn my phone off Wi-Fi to 5G, turn off all alarms, and go to the bathroom. That's the number one thing that was consistent throughout all of my purchases was I bought everything from the bathroom, which sounds strange, but at first it was out of necessity because on some days I was at work and so I needed to step out of the office and go to the bathroom to buy things. And when it worked for like the bungyongi and the first couple of items, I was like, oh, maybe there's something to this. So, and I saw other people post on Twitter saying like they got their items by buying it from their home's bathroom. So even when I was at home, I went to the bathroom and I stood or sat there and waited for the merch to count down. So everything I bought from the bathroom. 2 is turn on 5G, which ironically, I actually forgot to do this morning for JK's merch and miraculously still managed to nab it. But depending on your environment and situation, 5G or LTE might be faster than Wi-Fi. That's, I guess you'd have to check. I don't know if that makes a difference. Obviously, it might not because today I got JK's merch off of my Wi-Fi. And then turn off all alarms. This is also just another thing. I don't want anything to like pop up or like slow down my phone while it's like buffering and loading as I'm paying. So I turn off all of the alerts and alarms I have for any apps that I have that might interfere with the buying process. So that's like the setup. And then I think what's helpful or like what I've done so far is I count down from the server like clock. So I use Naver, but I think you can just Google like world clock or something. Some clock, this is Naver. I Google time and then there is a real-time countdown clock. And what I do is I set it like a couple minutes before I start like staring at this clock, preparing body and mind, listening to my heartbeat faster and faster. And then as you can see, it like goes into red 10 seconds before, and that's like showtime, and that's when your heart feels like a drum beating louder with no way to guard it. But no, that's when it feels like I'm in Mission Impossible or something, like I'm in a spy movie and I'm defusing a bomb because I'm counting down the seconds. And then what I do is I have the Weaver shop open, but just on the main page, open to like the product that I want to get. And I start counting down from 10, 9, 8, and I'm counting inside my head. And then I switch over to Weaver shop and I'm counting down like 10, 9, 8. When it goes to 4, 3, 2, 1, and then I click. Like I don't wait for it to turn to 11. I wait like a half a second before this turns to 11 a.m. and I click on the product. And sometimes it works. Most, like I think half the time it gets me straight into loading and then into the page. Sometimes it comes up as like either sold out or the, what is this? 준비 중, like 판매 예정. In which case I have never refreshed. I just go back and then I click again and then I'm able to get in. Yeah, I've paid both with a credit card and PayPal. And so PayPal, if you have One Touch Pay activated, so you have to deactivate two-factor authentication for that, but that's how you can get through PayPal faster without like retyping in your password or anything. That's been faster for me than credit card, but sometimes I've used my credit card to buy, and so far it's been successful. This like may not work for everyone. Take everything with a grain of salt, but this is how I've purchased the products so far. Or let me know what's worked for you if you've been able to get in, if you've figured out what works for you. All right, that's it. Bye.